Stick around. Class is in session. I consider it an honor to be your teacher. I'll throw a lot at you. Everything I've learned from my own mentors. And my own bruises.
What happened?
The job. Now, combat is about controlling conflict, putting the battle on your terms. You should always be acting, never reacting. I'll need a sparring partner.
Right here, yeah. After this, swoosh, I'll show you my moves. Hurts so good.
Good block. But did anyone see what he did wrong?
Ooh, he hit on teacher and got served?
Dude!
He allowed me to dictate the terms of...
Oh, please. With my powers, the battle's always on my terms. I'm a living weapon, and this is a waste of my time.
Prove it. You're angry. Good. But don't react. Channel that anger into...
That's it! I'm done.
Training is mandatory.
Batman to the cave. 5 hours ago, a new menace attacked Green Arrow and Black Canary. The attacker was capable of studying, then duplicating the powers and abilities of its opponents. Arrow called in reinforcements, which nearly proved disastrous, as our foe gained more and more power with each new combatant.
Whoa, one guy with the powers of the entire League?
In the end, it took 8 Leaguers 4 hours to defeat and dismantle the android.
An android? Who made it, Tio Morrow?
Good guess, Robin. But Red Tornado doesn't think so.
The technology bears the signature of Professor Ivo.
Ivo? But Ivo's dead.
So we all thought. Or hoped.
To make certain this threat is permanently neutralized, we're sending 2 trucks carrying the android's parts to 2 separate Starlab facilities in Boston and New York for immediate evaluation. Every precaution is being taken. We'll have 4 additional decoy trucks to create confusion in case Ivo, or anyone, tries to recover the remains. You will split into undercover teams to safeguard the 2 real trucks.
Yes! Road trip!
So now we take out your trash?
You had something better to do.
Coordinates received. On our way.
When you're ready, I'll be here.